It's Argyle, and you get to sit in on my studying time. This, that's Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Yeah, she knows math and I don't. So,
Okay, now we're set.
I get to write on the spiral book.
Alright,
Might help if it was there.
alright, and it makes sense.
No, it doesn't. That's really important.
That's the y-intercept. You got it into that form. The coefficient of x is the slope.
Like, the x is -4/5, and then the y is 4? Or did I just totally mess that up?
I'm not sure what
Do you know what I'm talking about?
you rattled off.
Like, no, that's the slope.
That's the
so,
slope.
what's the x? No, the y goes across, so it's 4. Like, if you have...
Yeah. The y-intercept,
The
that's
y.
where it
So,
the
it goes
line.
1, 2, 3, 4. So, the 4 is right here. But then the line...
Worry about
But the slope is, like, 5 across and 4 up, or...
something like that.
Yeah, it's
It's negative, so it means it goes in that
or
direction.
something.
Yeah.
It goes that way, then.
Okay.
It goes
But-
down.
If
Uh-huh.
they're going to
I know that.
go the same way,
I know.
but they're crossing the y.
And they don't coincide.
No, they don't coincide.
I just totally screwed up my piece of paper.
No, you didn't.
I did too. There's no room on there. And this doesn't want to give me a piece of paper.
Well, we got
Paper!
more than one. The next step is to.
I have no idea.
What did we do?
What are you looking for?
Okay.
What's 2x divided by 3?
2/3 x.
That's just a cop-out.
Alright, that's step one.
I think Grandpa's done sucking.
I know, but now he's coming in different from how he went out.
Well, of course, because he has to walk halfway around the house to come back in. That's not a...
That's an x. That's a y.
No. Woman. Because, see, I told you that was important.
Yes, it is.
1 becomes 6. 2 is 7.
No.
No?
Look at your equation.
I did plus 5.
What does that say?
That doesn't count.
Yes, it
That
does.
doesn't matter.
What does that say?
I can ignore numbers if I want to. Yes, I'm a Jehovah's Witness. That was mean. It's Jeremy's fault.
We're not blaming your math on Jeremy now.
I don't know. It's still -3.
There's no negative.
There's a negative right
I'm
there.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't argue with me.
I'm sorry. I didn't see that little scratch.
Now who's a Jehovah's Witness?
Such.
Yeah, I just totally killed it. Anyway. Apparently I
Do a
can't.
number line.
Apparently
Okay.
I can't use a calculator while I'm making a movie. Okay, number line. There's -3, -2, -1, 0. It's a sucky 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now just -3 plus 5 ends up where?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 2.
Yeah.
Screw you!
Talk nice to your grandma.
I love you.
I know you do.
And you love me.
No, well, yes, of course.
Okay, so
I think your
I
brain-
just used the number line.
I think your
just
brain's
used the
finally
number
waking up.
line.
Well, write it down, please.
I forgot what I was saying. -1.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Oh, because it's like the same as that. Sort of. Not
Yeah,
really. Never
but-
mind.
But
I lied. Did we go
Okay.
back in again?
now,
You keep
I
saying
I
no.
just don't pay attention to
Okay.
any noises from that direction.
It's
Now,
fine.
do the same thing. Draw your little grid.
Draw my little grid. It's not a grid.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Hi, Grandpa.
You want me to plant the scolius
Sure.
where?
I want them planted in the corner between the workshop and the tractor port.
Oh, okay. That
To-
one,
That little dead zone.
right.
Wait, Grandpa. Before you go, you have to say hi.
Hi.
Wait. That's Grandpa.
Hi.
He's cold.
Notice she's not.
I'm never cold. It's summer. I'm not cold.
Should we get back to business here?
Wait, I gotta put it back where it was. That's close enough. I'm OCD if you can't tell.
Okay, yeah.
Speaking of OCD, my lines are all crooked. Oh well.
Plus
Plus 4/3
which
is 6/3, which is 2.
right. Good.
So,
Ooh, your brain's in gear
so
now.
that one's gonna be that one. Ha! Score. Okay. And if that was 2, 2/3 times 2 is 4/3, right? No.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
4/3. So 4/3 plus 4/3 is 8/3, which is 2 and 2/3.
Mhm.
Ha ha. See, I told you it's gonna be that one.
Now,
That one matches.
okay, don't worry about that right now.
But it's
You-
matches.
step 2, because you happened this time to come up to accidentally put the coordinates in that would match. But
That's not accidental. That is divine providence.
well, that too. But divine providence isn't always going to give you the answer in front of you. Step 2 is to graph both equations, please.
Graph both equations.
By looking,
So do I graph it on the test paper?
Yeah.
Or on, okay.
or unless you want, if you got graph paper, you can.
Yeah, but it sucks.
I know it does.
And it always runs away.
But I don't know
It's
where
like
it is.
socks and pens.
It's like everything.
Oh, here it is.
Oh,
But
right where
it's
it's
like
supposed
all-
to be.
Crappy.
Well, it's all we have.
I know, but it's crappy. And it's still got my stock market junk on it.
Well, we're not worried about that.
No, right on the back of it. Well, I'll just leave it there.
Yeah. Then it can't run away.
No,
Okay, you don't need a big.
I want a big one.
Okay. It's a power thing. If you have a large graph.
I am a southern girl. I want big.
Hush.
What?
I don't know. Whatever you start to say. Go back to your scrap paper.
You're bad.
No, I'm not.
You're bad. You're grandma. You're not supposed to be bad.
Oh, thank you, dear. Now hurry up.
Bad. Where are my jewel cases? So
We couldn't possibly use a ruler.
No, to use a jewel case because it's broken, and it's. I'm just cool like that.
Okay, now 2
2
is 2
and 2
and 3.
thirds. Ha! I'm not completely stupid.
No,
I just can't count.
but the one thing to keep in mind with graphing
Arrows!
is that you have to be precise and you have to keep track of the numbers.
And you have to X out all the dots that don't count.
Yeah.
Look at this mess. It's just wrong. Oh,
No,
it's
now
grody.
it's right, but it's just
But it's
not neat.
grody looking. It's barely had room for that.
Ow, it doesn't matter. You could run off and it wouldn't matter.
Yes, and they coincide.
Yes.
At
And here,
that
no,
one.
wait.
What?
The point of intersection.
They need.
Well, you couldn't hope for better soiled planter. It's black and full of red wigglers.
Yeah.
Along the edge and one coming back this.
Now,
Hey, can we fill out one of those pools with worms?
no. Could we get?
I could run a bait shop.
No.
Okay.
All right. Now,
worth a try.
the point of intersection.
1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4.
Now,
You can go look at them later and see if they're all right.
I think we got it. 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Mhm.
Duh.
and 5 equals 5.
And 5.
This is
equals
your
5.
check.
4 equals 4.
Okay.
Last time I checked, 4 does equal 4.
Okay. You have to show your steps. Hang on, let me finish talking before you jump the gun. Okay. This is
Where
what
did that phrase come from? Were people like actually jumping over guns?
I don't know.
Graph. You have to be killed now.